In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close a browser tab with a keyboard shortcut in just a few seconds. This is one of those simple tricks that can save you time every single day, whether you're working, browsing, researching, or just trying to clean up too many open tabs. Instead of reaching for your mouse and clicking the little X on the tab, you can use a quick shortcut and close it instantly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Chrome on your computer. You can use any browser in many cases, but for this example, we're using Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, go to the tab that you want to delete or close. Make sure the correct tab is active because the shortcut will close the tab that you currently have selected. This is important if you have several tabs open and want to avoid closing the wrong one. Now, on your keyboard, press Ctrl and W at the same time. That's Ctrl plus W. As soon as you do that, the current browser tab will close instantly. It's fast, easy, and much more efficient than using the mouse. If you're on a Mac, the shortcut is usually Command plus W instead, but for Windows, Chromebook, and most PC users, Ctrl plus W is the one to remember. You can use this shortcut again and again anytime you want to close tabs quickly. It's especially useful when you're managing lots of websites, organizing your workflow, or trying to stay focused by closing tabs you no longer need. And that's it. Now you know how to close a browser tab with a keyboard shortcut. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more quick tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.